All right, so here's a quick little video on how to use the center pole. It comes with two rubber feet, one for the bottom, one for the top. And you basically flip this open and closed to lock the pole. If you open it, it'll slide back and forth. There is the bottom cup, which goes, it's got the little nub that sticks out of the bottom of it. That goes on the bottom. And the other one looks more like a cup without the little nub. Pretty self-explanatory. It goes on the top. And then you simply put a little tension into the pole, and that'll hold against the roof hub. And you can tell here that's pretty stable just by itself. Now, under the carpet here in the middle of the floor, there is also a pocket that you can cinch around the bottom of the pole, like so. And if you're not using a carpet, you just cinch that up nice and tight, and it'll hold the pole in place when it's, you know, really blowing out and everything's moving around. I personally don't use this. I like to put carpets down and just use a little more tension to keep it in place. And I very rarely even use the pole. It's really just meant for high winds and downdraft areas and emergencies. If for some reason you didn't see the video on how to set this up and how to let the hubs roll, then you might be breaking parts. If you break parts out in the field, then you can use the center hub, or the center pole rather, up against the center roof hub to hold the entire roof up. So that's a nice little backup piece of equipment to have in the field. Don't leave it at home. What else? I guess that's pretty much it for how to use the center pole. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to send them to questions@shiftpod.com. Happy camping.